Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will discuss to you on how to write a program that will ask value in inches and then it will convert into centimeters equivalent using Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, in our notepad we have here print for new line, print inches to centimeter in Python \n new line, and then we declare a variable inch underscore value float input give value in inches. The value that will be stored in a variable inch underscore value will be stored here. And then we have an assignment statement, cm value. So 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeters. We simply multiply, print, and then we display here open and close curly bracket, inches is equals to open and close curly bracket, centimeters dot format inch underscore value underscore cm underscore value. Don't worry guys, as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB, our online compiler for Python. Let us click the run button. Okay, our program is running. Inches to centimeter in Python, give value in inches. Let's see 1. So 1 inches is equals to 2.54 centimeters. Another example, let's say 4.67 inches. 4.67 inches is equals to 11.8618. Last example, 7. So 7 inches is equals to 17.78 centimeters. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on inches to centimeter conversion using Python programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.